Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Today we will tell you about the repair of the heater at home. Be with us. And we wish you a pleasant viewing. Now we see that this heater makes a lot of noise during operation. We opened it and saw that there was dust, rope and other unnecessary things in the radiator. And we had to clear them. We cleaned all the vents. Then we started to open all the parts. And we saw that the bearings were dry and dusty. Then we smeared them. And we put them all together again. Then we plugged it in and saw that it works fine, and you can't hear anything except the noise of the wind. Needless to say, we connected the stove to the air conditioner just to check the sound of the motor. Our work has been successfully completed. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe. Be with us. See you next time. Bye.